Imagine a smartphone so powerful, so futuristic, that it feels like a glimpse straight from 2030. That's exactly what the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be. And the latest leaks are absolutely blowing up the internet with what might just be the biggest leap Samsung has ever made in its Galaxy lineup. From insane camera upgrades to an almost science fiction level design and some seriously wild AI integration, this could be the phone that finally changes what Ultra really means. Now buckle up, because what we're about to explore isn't just another spec rundown, it's a look into the future of smartphones. According to multiple new reports, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to launch in early 2026, likely at Samsung's Unpacked event in late January, with pre-orders kicking off shortly after. But what's setting tech insiders on fire isn't the release date, it's the new direction Samsung seems to be taking with this beast. For starters, design leaks show a sleeker, more polished chassis with softer rounded corners and a thinner, lighter frame, meaning the S26 Ultra might finally ditch that heavy, boxy vibe we've seen for years. Early dummy unit photos suggest an all-new camera island design, where 3 of the 4 rear cameras are visually connected in a sculpted glass layout, giving it a futuristic, almost jewelry-like look that screams premium. The display rumors are just as wild. Samsung might introduce its brightest and most energy-efficient screen ever, featuring an upgraded dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with mind-blowing outdoor visibility and something called Flex Magic, a rumored privacy mode that reduces side-angle viewing so strangers can't peek at your screen in public. Now let's talk about what everyone's obsessed with, the camera system. Leaks point to a next-generation 200-megapixel ISO main sensor with a wider f1.4 aperture that can absorb more light, making night photography sharper, cleaner, and richer than ever. And if you thought zoom shots couldn't get better, think again. Samsung might integrate a dual telephoto setup featuring a 50-megapixel 5x periscope and a 12-megapixel 3x optical zoom, powered by advanced AI-based stabilization. Some rumors even hint at the return of a variable aperture lens, something Samsung pioneered years ago, letting the camera physically adjust to lighting just like a human eye. That's a bold move if true, and it could push the S26 Ultra into a league of its own for mobile photography. Speaking of bold, let's talk performance, because this phone could be an absolute monster under the hood. Leakers claim the US and Chinese models will run on Qualcomm's next-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, while global markets might get Samsung's in-house Exynos 2600, built on an insanely efficient 2-nanometer process. And here's the kicker. That Exynos chip is rumored to feature a co-engineered AMD GPU for console-level graphics. Imagine playing 8AA titles or editing 8K footage on your phone without breaking a sweat. Combine that with rumored LPDDR6 RAM and ultra-fast UFS 5.0 storage, and we're talking about speeds that could make laptops jealous. Battery life also seems to be getting a well-deserved boost, though capacity will likely remain around 5,000 mAh. Samsung is reportedly pushing charging speeds up to 60 watts or even higher, something users have been begging for since forever. According to credible insiders, a new charging architecture could fill the S26 Ultra from 0 to 50% in just 15 minutes. That's nearly double the current charging rate on the S25 Ultra. Imagine waking up late, plugging your phone in while you brush your teeth, and walking out the door with half a charge ready to go. Efficiency also takes center stage thanks to AI-driven battery optimization that learns your habits, predicting when you'll need full power and when to scale things back. Speaking of AI, Samsung seems to be diving deep into smart integration this year, and that's where the Galaxy AI 2.0 branding comes in. Expect features like live translation, context-aware call summaries, adaptive photo editing, and even on-device generative AI tools for creative content. Word is, Samsung is using an evolved version of its Pro Visual engine, allowing real-time object replacement and background enhancement right in the Gallery app. Essentially, you can take a photo, erase something, and the phone rebuilds the background using generative intelligence. No Photoshop needed. Design-wise, the S26 Ultra might also debut in a new color lineup, including Cosmic Orange, Titanium Silver, and Midnight Blue, with a matte finish that resists fingerprints but reflects light beautifully. Some insiders say the titanium frame will be even stronger yet lighter, potentially bringing the total weight down under 220 grams. And yes, the beloved S Pen isn't going anywhere. Samsung's reportedly refined its latency once again, making drawing and note-taking smoother than ever. As for software, it's almost certain the phone will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16, integrating tons of visual tweaks and security upgrades. Early testers claim animations are buttery smooth, and system-wide AI predicts your next action before you even tap. Now here's where things get really interesting: the under-display camera. There's been heavy debate about whether Samsung will finally hide the selfie lens beneath the glass on a non-foldable device, and leaks seem split. Some say yes, an upgraded under-panel camera that's nearly invisible during normal use, while others think Samsung might play it safe for one more year. If they pull it off, though, the S26 Ultra could deliver the world's first flagship slab phone with a truly uninterrupted display experience, making it look like pure glass from edge to edge. On the audio side, expect boosted speakers tuned by AKG, Dolby Atmos support, and possibly adaptive surround optimization that tailors the sound to your environment. Every little element of this device seems to scream next-gen, from faster 5G and Wi-Fi 7.5 speeds to satellite messaging support for emergencies, something Apple started but Samsung might just perfect. One particularly wild rumor claims Samsung is experimenting with graphene-based cooling layers inside the Ultra, drastically improving heat management during gaming or video recording. That could be a game changer, literally. But even beyond the specs, what's exciting most fans is how Samsung seems to be positioning the S26 Ultra as a direct shot at Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max. With the S26 Ultra's rumored focus on AI photography, faster charging, and a cleaner, lighter design, the comparison wars are inevitable, and Samsung seems ready for the showdown. If early benchmark leaks are accurate, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 might outperform Apple's A19 Pro chip in multi-core performance for the first time ever. That would be a huge symbolic win for Samsung after years of trailing behind in CPU scores. Another small but cool leak suggests Samsung is finally improving its haptic system with linear feedback that feels more clicky, like an actual button press, something long requested by Galaxy fans. And get this, insiders are saying Samsung might be testing a feature that uses AI to detect the angle of your hand and dynamically shift the display's touch sensitivity for better grip control. It's small touches like these that make the Ultra lineup so elite. Even the packaging is rumored to change. Slimmer, eco-friendly boxes made from recycled aluminum and bioplastics, continuing Samsung's green initiative. So, if you're wondering whether it's worth waiting for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, based on everything leaking right now, the answer is a big, confident yes. This is shaping up to be not just another smartphone, but a symbol of what happens when cutting-edge hardware meets next-level intelligence. With unmatched AI capabilities, upgraded cameras, blazing performance, and an elegant new design language, Samsung might just redefine the word Ultra in 2026. And as the competition heats up, one thing's certain: the Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just aiming to compete, it's aiming to dominate. So stay tuned, because as more leaks drop, this story is only getting started. And if these early details are anything to go by, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could easily become the most talked about smartphone of the decade.